Hello and welcome to the step-by-step guide to pre-enrollment. This video will support you to complete pre-enrollment. Pre-enrollment is made of 3 steps which you will need to do online through the MyHUD portal. To log in, please visit the link on the screen or scan the QR code. Your username is your student email address and the password is your date of birth. Please pause the video and read the instructions provided on the screen. If you're logging in for the first time, you will be asked to register your phone number. If you have changed your registered phone number or can no longer access, please contact our IT support team to change this. Alternatively, you can download the Microsoft Authenticator app to get a code you can use to log in. If you still need assistance, please scan the QR code or use the email address to contact our IT support team. Once you're logged in, please click on Welcome Pre-Enroll button in the left grey bar. Then click the red Enroll on your course button on the top bar. You can now select Step 1. This is where you will upload your photograph for your student campus ID card. Please read the photo guidelines carefully. Your photograph must be in JPEG format and no larger than 10 MB. Please click Go to Upload Your Photo button. Select Choose File option on the screen to upload your photo. Once you've uploaded your photograph, you can select Back to Enrollment page to return to the home screen. You can now begin Step 2. Step 2 is where you will need to check all your personal details. Click Go to My Details button to start. Press the Click Here to Start button. Check that your course details are correct on this page. And read the university's regulations before selecting I agree. On this page, please check that your personal details are correct, including your home address. Scroll down to term time or contact address and update the address where you will be living while you attend the university. If you do not yet have a Huddersfield address, please put your home address. We would advise not living further than an hour's commutable distance by public transport to Huddersfield. Check all your details are correct before pressing Next page. On this page, you are required to provide some more information. Click on Provide Sensitive Information and complete all the boxes. The boxes in red are mandatory fills and you will not be able to progress until these are completed. Select the options that apply to you. Once you've completed the section, click Next. You now need to complete the next section, which is My Disability Status. Click on Provide Your Disability Status button. Read the information provided carefully and select the appropriate option. Then click Next. If any of the details are incorrect, please contact the email address provided on the screen. The Students' Union is free and open for all students to join. Please read the information provided, select your option, and click Next page. On this page, you will choose if you wish to receive alerts by the university as text messages. Once you have selected your option, please click Next page. Please read the information on screen and then click Next page Preview. Please do a final check and make sure that all these details are correct. and then click Submit button. You have now completed your Step 2 of pre-enrollment. Please select Home page to return to Enroll on your course page. Please select Back to Enrollment page on this screen. You can now complete your Step 3. Please read the information provided under Information for International Students carefully, and make note of your payment deadline, as this cannot be changed. Once completed, please click Back to Enrollment page. You have now completed your pre-enrollment. Within 24 hours, you will receive an email asking you to book an appointment to collect your student ID card. Please keep checking our web pages for further enrollment updates. And we look forward to welcoming you on campus.